Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Home for lots of educational videos related to futures day trading, prop firm based trading, and you can also join me for live Nasdaq futures day trading streams weekdays morning at 9:20 a.m. Eastern here on YouTube. And if you're new here, please make sure you subscribe, follow me on social media, and make sure you hit that bell button so that you get notified every time I trade live or drop a new video. In this video, I will be sharing some of my latest payouts that I received from Elite Trader Funding and share how my overall experience was trading with ETF. And I will also show you some cool and flexible payout rules that ETF has which traders can take advantage of when trading with Elite Trader Funding. So without a further ado, let's jump into the details of this video. Here are my two Elite funded accounts. First one of size 250k and second one of size 150k that I have been trading with ETF for a little over 3 weeks, and I have managed to make $22,000 in total profit across both accounts. First one has around $12,000 profit and the second one has around $10,000, 9,988 exactly. And I have been trading mostly Nasdaq E-mini futures, and I will be showing you each day's profit split for both accounts as I walk you through the steps that I followed for requesting my payouts for each of this account. Now, for Elite Trader Funding, there are three basic requirements to qualify for the payouts. Number one, you have built the safety net profit, which basically means you have profit equal to your account's maximum drawdown room plus $100. So, for example, for my 150k account, I had a $4,500 as my maximum drawdown room and I add $100 to it. So your total profit balance would need to be at $4,600 to meet the safety net requirement. And in my 150k account, I made $9,900. So I was well above the safety net requirement for this account. For my 250k account, my max drawdown room was $7,000. So in this account, I would need $7,100 to be able to meet the safety net requirement, and here my total profit was $12,000. So again, I have fulfilled the safety net requirement. Second requirement to fulfill is to have traded minimum 15 trading days before requesting your first payout, and that criteria is already fulfilled for my 150k account. I have 15 trading days, but my 250k account would need another 4 trading days to be completed to meet the 15 days requirement. Third and the final requirement to fulfill would be to maintain the 40% consistency rule, meaning my best day cannot be exceeding 40% of total profit. ETF has a very good dashboard which can help you track your consistency as you progress each day in your journey. You can see this is my profit split for my 15 days of trading in my 150k account. And as you can see, as each of these day progress, my consistency came well below 40% mark. And at the end of 15 trading days, my overall consistency was at 32%, which means I have met this 40% consistency criteria as well for requesting the payout from this 150k account. But before I forget, there is one more important and cool thing about Elite Trader Funding, which I wanted to highlight. So as you know, most prop firms, once you have achieved the safety net, your drawdown room will stop trailing and it will stay static at that starting balance. So this is normal, this is fine, this is same thing with ETF. But with ETF, there is one more cool thing. You get rid of your daily loss limit. So for example, most prop firms allowing end of the day drawdown room will always have daily loss limit. No matter how much profit you have made and no matter how many days you have been trading that funded account, you always have a daily loss limit and you need to stop before that daily loss limit is hit. And this could be very restrictive rule for end of the day account types. But now it's no longer issue with Elite Trader Funding. They don't have end of the day loss limit or daily loss limit for end of the day account type, which means my daily loss limit for my 250k account is at $12,000 because that is the profit I have. So if there is no daily loss limit, every day I come to trade, I have $12,000 as my buffer to trade. Similarly, on my second account, I have 9,000 profit. So my daily loss limit for that account is $9,900. So imagine coming to trade each morning and having 12,000 or 10,000 sitting in your account. It takes off huge pressure from your trading, and you can trade with little bit more cushion and gather more profits for your next payout. Now another cool thing which ETF allows you to is withdraw money from your safety net profit. So once you have accumulated the safety net profit, you do not need to make additional profit to be able to withdraw. You could actually dip into your safety net profit to be able to request your withdrawal. So for my 150k account, for example, $4,600 total profit was enough. As soon as I hit the safety net, I can request withdrawal from that safety net. As long as I have traded 15 days and I have 40% consistency, I can dip into that safety net profit. Only thing to remember is if your drawdown room is now fixed at starting balance, after withdrawing the money, if you're going to hit your drawdown room which is sitting at the starting balance plus 100, you might lose your elite account. So make sure you always leave sufficient room behind after requesting your withdrawal, so that you can come back and still be able to trade next day with no issues. Now another trader friendly payout rule Elite Trader Funding has is you can withdraw as little as $100 each day, and ETF processes or approves the payout daily. As long as you submit them before 10 a.m. Eastern, it is included in their daily audit and the payout cycle. So what does it mean? So meaning if you have met all the 3 payout requirements that I talked about, and you have traded the 15 days and you are consistent 40%, all good, you can start withdrawing money as little as $100 each day. So let's say you have a safety net profit in your 50k account of 2,500, and now you are afraid, like if you withdraw maximum allowed profit of let's say $2,000 and you'll just have $500 remaining, which will not be enough and you might blow the account. But what if you don't request 2,000 now and you miss that payout cycle, then you wait for another 15 days. So that is not the case, as ETF lets you withdraw $100 each day, or minimum $100, maximum you can withdraw more. So what does it mean? Let's say for my account on day 15 I withdraw $100, so and then I can continue to trade next day and make some more profit. So next day, day number 16, I can come and withdraw another chunk, let's say $500, and so on, right? I can continue to withdraw smaller chunk until I reach the next 15 days payout cycle. So remember, once the trading requirement for the next payout cycle is complete, any remaining buffer money you have, let's say you were supposed to withdraw 2,750, but I could only withdraw up to let's say 2,000, that remaining 750 does not carry forward to that next payout cycle. Next payout cycle will again restrict you to maximum 3,000. So it is like an open window, right? At 15 days you are allowed to withdraw maximum 2,750, but you did not have enough profit, but you are still above the safety net. So you managed to withdraw 2,500, that 255 is remaining, or you withdrew all 2,750, then all good, and you can look for the next withdrawal cycle to withdraw another maximum allowed. Remember, after 3 payouts are done, 4th payout cycle onward, there is no minimum or maximum. You can withdraw full amount if you want, and it is as per your wish. Remember, you can never go down below your original account size starting balance. So that is your limit, after which you will lose the account if you hit that. So let's go ahead and submit my payout request. You can see the payout request button is enabled as I have met all the criteria. I'll click on the payout request button, and then in the next window I'll enter 2,750, the maximum allowed amount for my 150k account, and I'll click on review request. It will launch another pop-up. I review my payout amount and I submit my request, and you can see the status will go into the requested state. And I was very surprised. I received my approval within 1 hour. It was approved and the money was actually sent to my bank account via Rise next day itself. So very fast payout process. ETF has a very good article on their website on how to sign up with Rise, who is their payment processor. They have a couple of steps, like you need to create an account, do your email verification, do know your client or identity check or verification is done, and then you can connect your online wallets or your bank account and start receiving money via bank wire transfer, ACH, or even cryptocurrency payments. So very good, flexible payout method from Rise. So I'll drop a link for this article in the description of this video. So I waited 4 days as my second account needed 15 trading days. After 4 days, once I hit 15 trading days on first account, you can see the second account was at 19 by that time trading days. So this account is now ready for the payout. I click on request payout. You can see, right, for this account also I have traded 15 days and maintained the consistency of 28. In fact, this account I performed really well, no losing day at all. You can see all profitable days and consistency well below 40%. I'll go ahead and submit the payout request for this account as well, which is $3,000 maximum allowed amount. Review the request, submit, all good stuff. Status is requested, and this one I think submitted in the night time. So I received the approval next morning. It was approved, money was deducted, and it hit my bank account same day because it was next morning. So there's the two payouts. Very happy, both the accounts made it to the payout. Looking forward to get my third funded account with Elite, as they allow up to 3 funded account. And I'll drop a link if you are looking to sign up for Elite Trader funding. Very flexible payout, especially that $100 minimum, and the window stays open for a complete 15 days to be able to withdraw or dip into your profits each day. Is something really makes them stand out from the competition. So wish you all good luck with your journeys in trading. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe to this channel, and hope you enjoyed this video today. Thank you, and I look forward to see you in my next video. Thanks and bye bye.